Hey rice lovers, welcome back to Macy's Daily Kitchen. Today we are making one of West African most iconic dishes, Ghanaian Jollof. It's savory, spicy, and absolutely packed with flavor. But before we get started, I want to show you how I marinate my chicken. That's what we'll be eating with. So grab your apron and I'll see you in the kitchen. Chicken is already washed. The ingredients we're going to be using: parsley, garlic, ginger and onion, and oil to blend. Combine all ingredients in the blender and give it a quick blend. Alright, let's start to marinate the chicken. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of thyme, all pepper seasoning. This is the all pepper seasoning I'm using. Two spoons of garlic salt and 1 spoon of pepper. I'm going to use like half spoon of fennel seed. Let's mix together. Chicken is well coated. Let's cover and set aside for 1 hour. There you go. Frying it in the air fryer. Let's get to where the reason why we are here. These are the ingredients we'll be needing: carrot, tomato, bell pepper, onion, ginger and garlic. I'll cut and blend all of them together. We're going to blend until smooth. This is the soul of the jollof, so don't skip this part. In a pot, heat some oil. Chop up 2 large onions. The chopped onions, bay leaf, and stir. Let's stir in our tomato paste. Fry this until it darkens a little bit. Not too dark, but a little bit. Like this. And I'm going to be adding our blended mixture. Mix and let it cool down. Cook down. This is where the magic happens. Of course, don't forget the heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper powder. Some tuna, but if you don't have tuna, don't worry, your food will still taste good. This is what I use. I'm going to add curry powder, dried thyme, all pepper seasoning, and mix together. Don't forget cube. Stew is ready. Let's put some aside. I'm going to be adding the rice. This is medium grain rice, about 8 cups. Mix well until all the goodness combine together, just like this. I'm going to be adding boiling water, that way it make the rice cook faster. Don't add too much water. No soggy jollof rice. Mix well. Taste and see if the salt is okay. If it's not, add a little bit salt to your liking. It's good. Now let's cover it and cook on low. No peeking, because the steam is the key. Let's check our rice and see how it's doing. Ooh, look at that. The bottom might be crispy. Jollof lovers call that the paddy rice crust. Let's check the rice. Now it's done. Let's wait for it to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, Ghanaian jollof, straight from my kitchen to yours. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share with your fellow rice lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more daily rice goodness. See you next time on Macy's Daily Kitchen.